Sometimes you
Okay.
feel like just packing up and leaving.
Yes, there is that sentiment. Sometimes you want to leave everything behind and just go to a new place.
Hmm.
And there's an interesting word for this in German language called Fernweh,
Hmm.
which is far sickness, like opposite of homesickness.
I think this is, in my mind,
Hmm.
there is a difference between the willingness to leave
Hmm.
and the willingness to arrive. The reasons matter.
But if you
Why do you
don't
wish to
leave,
leave?
if you don't leave, you'll never arrive.
The willingness to arrive is that you're going with a specific purpose
Hmm.
to be in a better place, not necessarily to escape from something.
Hmm. But sometimes you don't want to leave because you're dissatisfied. Sometimes you want to leave because you just want to be elsewhere. For example, John Keats wrote in Ode to Nightingale that he wanted to fade far away, dissolve, and quite forget. Sometimes it's not to arrive some other place, it's sometimes the idea is to just leave your current place.
But why? See, I perceive it as escapism,
Hmm.
mostly.
I don't think so. I mean, see, when Yeats wrote, I will arise and go now, go to the lake isles of Innisfree, he just wants to be elsewhere. You know, people experience this longing.
So I'll first go on to Yeats,
Hmm.
right? So when he says that,
Hmm.
there's something called this idea of travel lust,
Yeah.
right?
That's
So,
wanderlust.
Wanderlust,
Yeah.
right? So wanderlust is an idea.
Hmm.
So I would take it a bit further.
Hmm.
I would say that there's a difference between wanderlust and a wanderer's lust
Hmm.
to travel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Though it might seem synonymous,
Hmm.
in my understanding, it's different.
They're different. Yeah.
There are wanderers
Hmm.
who like pick up one thing and then just give it up easily
Yeah.
and then just run to the other
Yeah.
thing and try to
Yeah.
do something else.
Yeah.
So there's a difference.
Hmm.
Yeats is talking about wanderlust.
Okay.
The very fact that you have a longing to leave,
Hmm.
generally, if it's so strong,
Hmm.
then you can't even focus on the path that you're on.
So Dr. Brand said in Interstellar that we're not meant to save the world, we're meant to leave it.
There's a different context. Look, everyone has thoughts
Hmm.
about this longing to leave.
Hmm.
Whether or not you act upon it,
Hmm.
I think that determines character. It's generally said, right? But that going gets tough, the tough get going. That doesn't mean that the tough have gone.